confusion on her breath as she telling me to leave, saying shit is getting better, but she don't believe, saying baby stay, I need you like the air that I breathe, screaming I ain't seen nobody else, you everything I need. Yeah, okay, I guess I said that all before, but that welcome meant me nothing if you walk out of that door. Who I'ma be without you, to be honest, I ain't sure. Maybe so you won't forget, probably go take over the world. She said yeah, okay, have fun controlling up your next bitch. I get all my advice from girls who never had relationships, so I'll just take the best I ever had and go and wreck the shit. Let's say that hope floats, so I'm about to go and sink the ship, cause it felt like I was trying to bail it out during a hurricane, trying to rekindle a fire doused in an infinite rain. Felt like the kid had been drowned and lifted in spite of the pain. Guess no one prepared for the bird that rose from the ash and the flames. Cause they come and they go, and we try not to show, but they know we ain't able to let go. And they hide while you're seen, think it all was a dream, thinking what does it mean? Where do I turn? From this, what do I learn? From this, what do I earn? So like a phoenix, rise from the burns. Knowing I gotta make a change, knowing I can't live this way. I made my own skies gray, so I had to make the change. So yeah, let's wait and see. Your new self couldn't face me, your new man couldn't trace me, and no alcohol could erase me, cause I'm about to be seen everywhere. On your TV I'll be there, have my face up in Times Square, and vacation like that ain't fair. I'm sorry, seriously I'm sorry. Gonna have to watch my life cause you chose to go and leave the story. Cause I rip beats like I uprooted, I hit goals like Beckham shooting, I make hits like no one doing it, I shift plates, it's a big movement. Yeah, pedal down and I'm cruising, middle fingers up to the ones who still think that we're losing. To be more honest than Armstrong, I'm doper than the shit he on, running tracks like that Tour de France, give me that medal then the kid's gone. Yeah, and I hope you're flipping out, cause now the kid you used to know is what girls flipping bout. Hitting stages, asking ages, yeah that's where we're headed now. When you realize where my name is, just know why you're missing out.
I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it, I can feel it, No, I said it's true, I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it, I can feel it,
And I ain't slept at home, not trying to be left alone. I'm waking up every morning to a metronome with no alarm clock, I don't gotta set my phone. And know the bar stopped selling alcohol after 2 AM. You no longer in New York City, it's just you and them. And the people who fucking with me, I say they travel the world. I'm about to cover some distances, and I'm just trying to prove to y'all what the difference is. So when you love what you're doing and then you missing it, I'ma send y'all regards. Few postcards up in the mail, Jean-Luc, I never fail. This is new wave rap, we never going to jail, cause all I wanna do is drink wine and make babies. You ain't never had a sick line, Wayne Brady. Let me kick rhymes, y'all can kick rocks like ba with a body, bang to bang.
No, I said it's true, I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it, I can feel it, No, I said it's true, I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it, I can feel it,
let them stay out the night. They selling the El Rey out, feeling like King Charles, partying like Harry. Girl, these are nights you sorry you got married. Well, single women like room service and take out. So when we make out, I'm so short, I'm J-Wow. I'm running around the base now, just trying to get my face down. You got a body, let me work it like I'm based out. So shouts to Bass God, we cooking in this. Top 10 on Billboard, now they looking at this. I haven't found success, them told me success sucks, but I found the best fans, you phony should fess up. Cause you ain't touching them, but you'd like to. Some people copying the steez, or they try to. I feel the love like my crew. You only really feel the love when you lie to, you lie to.
No, I said it's true, I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it, I can feel it, No, I said it's true, I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it, I can feel it,
I don't wanna be one of the guys who tell you lies. I don't wanna sit beside them and take up all your time. But when I'm without you, I feel like I've been paralyzed. Hit into my heart, hit into my chest, hit into my knees, hit into my feet. Baby, please, I can feel the love.
No, I said it's true, I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it, I can feel it, No, I said it's true, I can feel the love, can you feel it too? I can feel it, I can feel it,
Alright, designated driver, but I'm drinking till my wallet's closed. This right here, that's rock and roll. You just call it Rocky Road. Sorry, Mr. Ossifer. Okay, I'm an officer, but all these shots just turn me to a gossiper. TMZ binoculars are knocking on my window like I'm popular. All I see is red lights, ain't nobody stopping ya. You must be confused, I don't think you read the news much. I'm a Rasta monster on the beat, Louis Guzman. And I feel like I'm drinking for the first time. Ain't no medicine to keep my head from spinning. And I feel like I'm drinking for the first time. So let me take you back to the beginning. I mean like way back, you get love and I make that. My bass notes cost pesos, these girls coming like ASAP. So stay strapped, stay good, they hated on what we could have been. And I'm backpacking through Brooklyn, we made a song, we good again. Hey now, you've been fucking up my day now. I just gotta find a way out, I don't wanna go home. Hey now, oh I'm finally getting paid now. I got models he can take out, I don't wanna go home. Girls be in the club tryna sing along the Tayo Cruz. Swear they know like every word, but they can't even tie their shoes. I'm amused, my music's influenced by the muses. I'm confused, did you think I liked you for your new kicks? High heels, low chance, a little bit of love in a slow dance. So we all tryna go up so fast that we don't really know that what we got is romance. So don't you brag, keep it hush, you know that this love could die. Turn it up a little bit, what you hearing is something silent. And I feel like I'm drinking for the first time. Ain't no medicine to keep my head from spinning. And I feel like I'm drinking for the first time. So let me take you back to the beginning. I mean like way back, you get love and I make that. My bass notes cost pesos, these girls coming like ASAP. So stay strapped, stay good, they hated on what we could have been. And I'm backpacking through Brooklyn, we made a song, we good again. Hey now, you've been fucking up my day now. I just gotta find a way out, I don't wanna go home. Hey now, oh I'm finally getting paid now. I got models he can take out, I don't wanna go home. And tomorrow's never promised, I said I'm tired of being honest. You just trying to pick my brain and I'm just trying to pick your wallet. I'ma walk away cause I know the way that we live today, it ain't orthodox. It's getting late but we all awake and we talking loud, so just call the cops and make us stop. If you can try to ring us up, set up a perimeter, but we ain't ever been in love. I got a couple minutes left, maybe I should live it up, but this time it's time you should give it up.